Happy Haitian Heritage Month. Today's video, I am making such an amazing Haitian chicken wings. It tastes amazing and it's really easy to do. So if you're a beginner, this video is for you. Stay tuned. If you're watching us for the first time, be sure you are subscribed. Click the red button down below, subscribe, and also I need every one of you guys who's watching this video right now, click the like button. Let's get this video to 300 likes. I know you guys can do it. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? And without further ado, let's go with this video, okay? Okay guys, to start, I am boiling my water right now. It's already boiling for a while because I was setting up, but I'm gonna turn it off. Let me show you guys the chicken that we're going to cook. It's chicken wings. It's right here. Okay, this is the chicken we're going to cook. It's already clean with lime and a little bit of salt, so it's mixed. I slightly slice them because they're not going to be marinated overnight, so I want the flavor to get inside. I slightly slide them. We're going to rinse it with the cold water, not the cold water, the hot water, and we're going to season this, okay? Okay, now I am going to let this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to transfer it into our pot, okay? Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to season this, but to season it, I am going to leave all the seasoning down below, and also I want to show you guys, because I know a lot of you guys like when I show you guys what brand of seasoning I've been using on my food. So I am going to show you guys what I add in there. To start, of course, because we're making Haitian chicken wings, it's like a chicken stew, we're going to start by adding our Haitian epis, okay? We're going to start by adding our epis in there. I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of epis. I am going to add some seasoned salt, add a good amount. I am going to add a pack of goya seasoning. This one is, I can't even read it because it's in Spanish, but this is the brand I am going to use. I'm gonna add all of it in there. Okay, I'll just add all of it, I don't care. So we add 1 pack of that in there. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're adding some chipotle seasoning. Now, this is optional. I can tell you guys that I am adding chipotle seasoning in there. It's optional. I'm going to add that in there. Next, I am adding about 1 tablespoon of adobo seasoning. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And of course, we gotta add, next we're adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Here we have our scotch bonnet. It's green. It's not too spicy, it's just for flavor. And over here we have parsley, which I am going to chop. I like the flavor a lot, so I am going to chop it. And we have thyme over here, so I am going to add that in there and chop my parsley. So I roughly chopped the parsley. I am going to put that in there. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice in there. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I want this cooked quickly and fast and easy, so we're going to add our tomato paste and let this cook. Now, one little tip. Chicken wings is really tender. They don't take a long time to cook. Do not add a bunch of water down your seasoning. Add just a little bit, just enough to just boil, because chicken wings do not take a long time to cook. If you add way too much water, it's just basically going to be, you know, watered down and don't taste. You're not gonna really taste your seasoning, your spice, the flavorfulness you need in there. So be sure to not add too much water. Okay, now we're going to basically stir everything together. All right, guys, now because this is not going to sit there and to marinate for a long time, I am going to let it sit here for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the water, okay? All right, guys, now it's time. It's been 10 minutes. We're going to add our water in there. In here, I have about 2 cups of water. I am not going to add too much. I just want to add enough. And as you guys can see, I did not add Maggi because we're trying to, you know, slow down on the Maggi. So I am basically going to add 2 cups of water. Yeah, 2 cups is enough, okay? We're going to add the water and let it boil on medium low. All right, guys, it looks like our chicken is almost ready. It's not fully ready yet. What I am going to do, I am going to remove the broth and add it in a separate container so I can braise this chicken so we can have a nice color. We don't want it to be all white and it doesn't look good. So what we're going to do is remove the broth. Oil, because chicken wings is really fatty. As you guys can see, there's oil in there. I am going to use the chicken oil to cook the chicken, okay? All right, now we're going to braise it so we can have a nice beautiful color in it. I am not going to add any tomato paste. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know I hate tomato paste. I hate the taste of it. That's why I cook it. I like to cook my tomato paste really good so I don't have to taste, you know, the raw tomato paste. So right now we're going to braise it little by little. We don't want to burn it. We just want to have a nice golden color to it. So we're just going to let it basically fry a little bit. Now I am going to add my red bell pepper. And also I am adding a little bit of onion, red onion in there for some nice flavor. And we're going to add the broth that we took out. We're going to add that in there. I don't like my food to be, well, I don't like my stew to be too watery. So I like to have a little bit of water in there because I don't want it to, the flavor to basically escape. So we're going to add that in there. Maybe a little bit more water. This much water. And that should do it. We're going to cover it and let it simmer. And the sauce should be ready pretty soon. Okay guys, look how nice our chicken turned out. It is ready. I didn't let the red bell pepper cook too much because I don't like it when it's like basically break into little pieces in the food. So it's like halfly cooked, and also the onions is like halfly cooked. I like it, you know, not to cook all the way through, but the chicken is ready. I am ready to dive in. I got my plate ready. And again, guys, this chicken was made with no type of Maggi, and it tastes amazing. It tastes really, really good. You don't really need Maggi to make your food, trust me. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I really truly hope you guys enjoy it. This is how the chicken look. It's so tender and nice. It tastes amazing. When I tell you, this chicken tastes so good. It has a lots of flavor in there. Be sure you are subscribed. Share the video on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.